Alright, nerds, in today's video, we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Also, if it sounds very congested and stuff like that, it's because I'm sick. I didn't go to school today. Yeah, so that's epic. First of all, I know Defenders Depot updated. I might make a video on that, except I've never made a video on Defenders Depot before. Or Defenders Depot. You guys all remember this game right here, right? Dungeon Quest. It's actually getting an update, like no cap. Like I know this is like such a pog moment for the Dungeon Quest community. It's actually getting a decent update, a Halloween update, daily quests, and they're already working on a Christmas update. Will Killer Shark Gaming TV be switching back to Dungeon Quest? Will he quit his Bed Wars videos thingy? Will he tell everyone to subscribe? Yes, I can tell you that is true. But will anyone subscribe? Find out the answer to like 1 out of 5 of these questions by looking at this video. Yeah. This intro is not sponsored by Dungeon Quest. Yeah, this video was not sponsored by Dungeon Quest. I'm not sure if you heard me correctly or not. But holy co-wappy wappy doo-doo. Oh gosh, no. 19 minutes! Might be able to get it soon. What do we got in our Cosmetic Shop? Whoa! Oh gosh, that's a cool one. Except I can't really get that, what do you have, Master Wyatt? Oh my gosh, my Legendary Collection! I remember, oh, wait, I actually kind of want this. I want the Ghostly Rampage. I'll give him something. Here, take a purple crystalline, whatever that is, warrior, I don't care. Just take it! Please, just take it. Take it. Except, dude! Oh my gosh, stop! You're trying to get more out of me, huh? I see, well take this crap I don't need. Here, accept this. Please, fine, you can take this. No, he's not in Underworld. It looks like he's in the... Ooh! Okay, yeah, let me give him this trash over here. He's gonna give me all that weird stuff. Okay. I want to buy Ice King, kind of, not really. 287. Okay, nice. We have Ghostly Rampage. I want that because, like, there's a lot of glitches you can do with Ghostly Rampage. Okay. Yeah, that's really cool. What else do we have in our cosmetic store? Cow onesie! Listen, if I had, like, more Robux... Okay, if I start to get back into Dungeon Quest, I might start buying these cosmetics again. But, like, for the sake of, like, right now, I'm still not fully back into Dungeon Quest. And by the way, I will never quit Bed Wars, okay? Bed Wars will always be my secondary game that I'm going to play. It will be a game off to the side unless it dies and no one plays it anymore. But Dungeon Quest, first of all, yeah, I meant to say that about Dungeon Quest. Dungeon Quest will always be the OG game on the channel, same as Piggy. Dungeon Quest and Piggy were the two first main games. In fact, the first video I ever made on the channel was Roblox Piggy. If you were an OG, you would have known that. Yeah, Terrific Turkey. But seriously, subscribe to Terrific Turkey. He's like the best. And he quacks very loud. I'm not sure if you've noticed. But let's see what cosmetics I have. Oh my gosh, I'm probably gonna forget where I got all these. What the heck? Where's some I don't know? Green cap. What the heck is this thing? What's that? Oh, right. It's the really dumb cosmetic I bought in that video. Link not in description. You'll just have to have the suffering of finding it yourself if you even want to watch it. Oh gosh, that was hard. I saw King's Knight. Wait, I don't remember getting this cop. Wait a sec, I don't remember getting this cop. Oh wait, right, I forgot about that. I remember. Never mind. I got this around Giraffe Onesie. Okay, but anyways, this whole video is supposed to be about something that I've been ignoring for like this entire video. Where the heck is the demonic battle set there? Yeah, we have an actual good cosmetic. All right, shift is shift lock. Should have known that. Yeah. So I guess we should just play a dungeon or something like that. Let's try Aquatic Temple. But yeah, this game is actually gonna update, like, no cap. Like, I've been wanting a Dungeon Quest update for so long, and they actually updated it recently. Do you want to know what the update was? Alright, it is a really big update. Probably the biggest update that came yet to Dungeon Quest. Are you ready to hear it? Removed times 2 XP. I know! Biggest update ever! Like, Flamingo, do you hear this? Biggest update. Yeah, I know, I have like 2 Flamingo plushies. One of them's holding Kool-Aid next to my gaming tab. If you want to set up tour, maybe get like 259 likes on this video. Yeah, actually just 9 likes on this video. Oh, while we're speaking of that, actually, if we get it to the like goal, I'll do a setup tour. Yeah, I'm going to pick a random number generator, 1 through 5. I'm being nice this time. It better not be 1. 4. Yes, that's hard. I don't have to do a setup tour yet. I get to get my other stuff in my setup before I do. What the heck is this? I think I just broke something. What the heck is this? Yeah, we're just gonna close that. Like, let's just pretend that's nothing important. Okay. Yeah, start. Shoot. Oh yeah, my name is Spoopy Scary Skeleton. It's Halloween, okay? Oh, I have to wear my Halloween cosmetics, of course. It's Halloween. What Halloween cosmetics do I actually have? I remember I have like Witch, Evil Duck onesie, yes, and do I have a sword that goes with it? No. What's Beach Umbrella? Oh, this one, okay, yeah, we're gonna roll with that. Oh gosh, no! Need shift lock. Give me shift lock, thank you. How do I do this again? Q? Oh gosh, I suck at this. E, okay, yeah, E is attack. Nice. I quit this game like 6 months ago. I would have still been playing it today, and probably not Bed Wars. Well, maybe Bed Wars off to the side, kind of like Piggy. I rarely make Piggy videos. I've beaten Distraction, actually, by the way. I just beaten it off camera. Like, I just randomly joined a server. They did make the new Battle Pass. I was going to make a video on it, but it was just because of storage that it didn't let me, and now it's getting old, so no one cares anymore. So, yeah. I guess I'm just gonna do an aquatic run while I talk about the update. So like Dungeon Quest is adding a Halloween update, which is like really, really cool. Apparently it's going to have like a new currency, definitely new cosmetics, I heard. But my hopes are up for these cosmetics. You wanna know why? Okay, this is a creator on Roblox called Kapuni. You've probably never heard of her. But recently I've been getting into some of these animal hoodies. Like the one on my avatar right now. If you look in the corner with my avatar in it right there, you'll see that I have a flamingo hoodie on. Actually, you might not recognize what that is, but I'm just saying it's a flamingo hoodie. Just for all you dumbos out there. If you don't know, I love flamingos. But like, sharks are still better. Like, sharks will have forever. Wait. Oh, I forgot the spawn point. No! I totally forgot about that. Shoot. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. Wow, I'm so good at this game, obviously. Man, I feel like for Dungeon Quest, they don't need to spend that much time on making the maps. Like, my friend had a really good point. Like, he could just make a very plain map and everyone would play with it. Because, like, no one cared how detailed Aquatic Temple and, like, Enchanted Forest was. They just played it. And then they just didn't care about the detail anymore. They're like, wow, this is so cool. They're satisfied for like the first 2 or 3 runs they've played. And then they're like, okay, I don't care anymore. I'm just grinding. That was technically me too. And that's why he should make more planar dungeons. Still pretty detailed. Like, I was thinking more of like a kind of King's Castle kind of thing. It's detailed, but it's not as detailed as Aquatic Temple in Enchanted Forest. Actually, I forgot how detailed Aquatic Temple was, actually. Like, jeez, I didn't know it was this detailed. Holy crap. Now instead of crap, I say quap. Because I'm a cool kid. Yeah, this beach umbrella is really helping. Oh, yeah, it's helping me die. Yeah, I know that. Alright, this guy, I forgot how annoying this guy is. Man, I actually haven't played Aquatic Temple in so long. Oh, just one shot. That's the funniest part. Anyways, what I was saying like 2 minutes ago, there's a Roblox, developer, no, it's not a developer, it's a creator, I'm not sure how she does this, but she, like, I'm assuming it's a girl, because she makes some, like, girl-themed animals. It might be a boy, though. I'm a boy, and I like a lot of animals, I'm assuming it's a she, I'm sorry, but or that person, he or she, they make a lot of cool animal hoodies, and they're actually apparently helping out with like the Dungeon Quest Halloween cosmetics. I heard about this on Care Berry's video. I talked about Care Berry like back in my birthday when like the Black Temple leaks were coming out. Those days. I remember them like it was not yesterday, but 2 days ago. How surprising! A new joke comes up. Now I forgot. Do I have to go to the green thing? I don't think I did, right? Oh gosh, I died. Yeah, I forgot this boss. I'm assuming I don't, right? Yeah, I can just one-shot him, right? No? Oh, how do I not one-shot this nerd? Oh gosh, a line. Ah! A circle! I was jumping the freaking circle. Yeah, her name is Kapuni. I'm assuming it's a she. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna roll with she so I don't have all these awkward moments. There we go, I got trash, yay. I'm gonna get a screenshot of that right there. Yeah, it looks so cool. Screenshot! Yeah! But, yeah, as I was saying, Kapuni is her name. And she makes a lot of really cool hoodies, and she's going to be helping with the Halloween cosmetics, or Christmas cosmetics too, because Christmas update is coming out for Dungeon Quest, confirmed on Care Berry. And by the way, she's not just any YouTuber. She's a Dungeon Quest developer, or admin, or I don't know what it's called, administrator, or whatever. I forgot what it was called. Moderator. I think she was a moderator. Trade for all items. Yeah, I didn't ask. But, yeah. Dungeon Quest update. Like, no caparoonies. I'm excited. If you're excited, smash that like button. And yeah, subscribe. I'll see you ducks next time. Bye!